In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to recover your Udemy account. If you're locked out or simply can't remember your login details, don't worry. The recovery process is quick, simple, and I'll walk you through everything step by step. Start by opening your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type Udemy account recovery. This will bring up the official support page designed specifically for helping users regain access to their accounts. When the results appear, click on the first official Udemy Support link. Once you're on the recovery page, you'll see a field asking for your registered email address or username. Enter the email you used to sign up for Udemy and then select the option to submit the form. This action triggers the system to send you a recovery message. Next, head over to your email inbox. Make sure to check all folders including promotions or spam, just in case the email was filtered. You should receive a message from Udemy within a few moments. Open it and you'll find instructions for resetting your password or confirming your identity. Click the link provided in the email. You'll be taken to a secure page where you can create a new password. Choose one that is strong, memorable, and unique. After saving your new password, you can return to the Udemy homepage and sign in again without any issues. And that is all it takes to recover your Udemy account. A simple search, a quick form, and a password reset will get you back into your courses in minutes.